All right, welcome back, everybody. A pretty nice day, nice evening out there. 37 degrees in Helena. The wind is light. Of course, we had a nice amount of sunshine out there today. And in Great Falls, we're looking at 29 degrees. Helena's wind coming out of the south. Great Falls, little wind out of the north. There's just a little weak cold front that is moving through the state here, dropping the temperatures into the 20s down east of the Rocky Mountain front. West of the Divide, Kalispell, Missoula, inversions trapping in cold air, but also some air pollution and some low-level moisture. So there are some air issues and dense fog issues out over that way in the state. Not a lot of wind. Enjoy that, because we will have several bouts of pretty strong wind that will be moving through. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow's kind of like the last day where we really don't have much, if any, wind. I mean, very, very light tomorrow, but getting into Friday, those normally windier locations will start to see the wind pick up, and then the entire state will see a very, very strong wind develop as we get into Saturday afternoon and Saturday night. But right now, things are quiet. Winter storm watch here for Friday through Saturday, really into Sunday, up here in the lower Clark Fork region, the higher elevations there of Sanders County, above 4,000 feet, 10 to 20 inches of snow. Look out past, if you're traveling that way from Friday all the way through Sunday, there will be some issues, and then more issues as you get into the Cascades. But a lot of the west of the Divide, we're looking at winter storm watches and some winter weather advisories. Quiet across the country, couple lake effect snow showers up there into the northeast here, but we're going to be looking at kind of a cloudier stretch developing too. Tomorrow, becoming mostly cloudy for most of the state. Then here comes some of that snow, mainly west of the Divide on Friday, a couple snow showers into the mountains. Saturday, with a front that moves through the states, we'll likely have a little burst of some rain and snow coming out across central Montana, but it's a burst, not a big storm. Well, look at that, though, all the way out through Washington and Oregon. Some very heavy precipitation. Snow continues west of the Divide and a little bit up on the Rocky Mountain front all the way through Sunday into Monday. And then things get a little warmer, but it will be windy for a lot of the state into next week. Here's the forecast for tonight. A chilly night, teens for most areas, even as cool as about 14 or so around the Malta area. Nyhart down to 17. The Helena area down into the mid-teens. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. A pretty nice day, all things considered, partly to mostly cloudy, not a lot of wind. Temperatures a little cooler, closer to the freezing point. Friday, wind starts to pick up along the Rocky Mountain front, couple of mountain snow showers, still a fairly benign day. Heading into Saturday, this front coming through Helena and Great Falls in the afternoon should deliver a burst of wind and snow. Very windy conditions through Saturday night into Sunday. Sunday's temperatures come up a little bit, but remember, there will be some pretty good snow west of the Divide heading into Idaho here through Friday and through the weekend.